Sage with a bad temper came to the Karna's hermitage and asked for shelter to Sakuntala.
Lady, can I ask your permission to come aboard your house? Lady, here, pity to an old man. I traveled so far. I need a place to stay tonight. Lady, are you not listening? Don't you see I'm an old man?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
You are fool. You are not listening to an old man. You are so engrossed with your emotion.
I didn't mean to hurt you. I was just thinking of someone.
Because you are rude. You need to be punished. I will curse you. I will curse you.
Please forgive me.
Heavens, listen to me. Whoever the person this lady is thinking will forget her forever.
No, please.
After reaching his kingdom, Dushyanta forget about Shakuntala. Durvasa went away and left Shakuntala crying.
Oh no, what should I don't know. I don't know.
Is there any problem, my dear?
I was cursed by Sage Durvasa.
What curse did he give you?
My husband will forgive everything about me.
Don't worry, sweetie. There is something that will break the curse.
What is it?
Just show something that person has given you.
May ring our wedding ring for sure. My dear, Shanta will remember me. Thank you. Narrator. Uy, ganawon.
After reaching his kingdom, Dushyanta forget about Shakuntala. Durvasa went away and left Shakuntala.
You must go to your husband. You are going to have a child soon.
But I don't know his kingdom.
It's in Hastinapur. Gautama Shrangarab and Saradwat will go with you.
Thank you, Father.
Be careful on your journey, my child.
Karnas went back to the forest and learned that Shakuntala got married to Dushyanta and that she is pregnant.
It's very hot, lady. I think it's nice to have a splash in that river nearby. That's right. The water there is very cold. Okay, let's go then and take a bath. Come on, girls. It's time to continue our journey.
On the way to the kingdom, Shakuntala and her friends decide to take a bath in the river.
Sagit lang na malinis.
Kaya mali na yun eh. Tapos na yun eh.
My dear, it's me. Shakuntala, I'm your wife.
But I don't know who you are. Do you have a proof?
Yes, the ring that you gave me. It's her. Oh no, where is my ring?
You are not my wife. Guard, get the ladies out here.
Dushyanta, don't you remember me? My love, no, listen to me. I was cursed.